What's up, guys? I'm recording this like 2 days after because I had to recover all my GarageBand stuff, including the background track for the intro and outro, which is always really annoying. And I had a pretty big scare there. So give me a little bit of courtesy. Uh, Other than that, I don't really have much to say. This is just really background noise, you know? It's only 8 minute long background noise, and not that good, but like it's still pretty good background noise, honestly. Yeah. How about comment down below what you were background noising this to? That'd be quite tough, quite nonchalant. Very, very nonchalant. I'm losing it. Okay, yeah. I'll just get to the video now. What's up? I should probably get some background noise actually. Here, let me think of something. Yeah, yeah, that would work. Yeah, okay. Uh, Maybe like 5:40 when I'm recording this. It sucks, but highly interesting. So loud. Highly interesting. The super secret and tough tier list was actually uh the bass drum tier list because everything is bass drum and nothing cannot be bass drum. Okay, so what am I doing? Oh, not sure. Okay. First, sorry for not boosting in a while, honestly. Uh, my bad. I'm gonna be posting a lot more long form content. I like it more. Let's see here. Let's put. Okay, wait. Let's start simple. Simple. Where is it? Okay, right here. Concert bass drum. This is like a mid. Like the whole point of a bass drum is to feel powerful with it, but it just doesn't make you feel powerful like at all, you know? Like you have the big thing, but you play such basic stuff that it's like, why am I even using it? Uh let's go here. Okay, kick drum. Yeah, sure. I don't know why I have so many kick drums in here. I'll just do this one. Kick drum is like literally a side instrument, but actually, wait 1 second. I'm moving you down to C. I also don't want to like play bass drum in concert. I want to play snare, and usually I don't even want to play snare. Yeah, kick drum, play that a lot here. It's muted, but I'll play it really quick. It's like bass drum noise. I know. Okay, flipped. My bad. Uh, Sounds like that. Okay, sorry. Screen messed up. Let's see here. We're gonna get the marching bass drum next, you know. Let's see here. This is S. This is S. This is the most fun instrument I've ever played. Honestly, I think a saxophone might be funner, but it makes you feel so much more important than you actually are. Like standing up, having boom, 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 boom. It, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy. If you've never done that, you're missing out so much. It's so fun. It's called electronic stinky. Electronic is bad, honestly. Uh, wait, why would you even get electronic one? Like, Just get a normal bass drum. They're not that much more expensive.
Um, they are definitely more expensive, and I would definitely recommend an electric bass drum if I were you, because I am not paying that much.
So, uh, I found this one on the internet. It looked funny, but I don't really even know what it does. I think it just makes a smaller noise that's lighter, which is not cool for bass drums. I'll just put it. No, I'm putting it down here. No. Okay. Muted kick drum. A tier. Normal kick drums are too loud. This is a really deep one. Okay, wait. Okay. I feel like I need to explain. Okay. This one, normal kick drum. I don't want to take it off because everyone is sleeping, but it is so loud. Uh, and muted kick drum, which is what you just heard, is not so loud. It's actually very quiet, which I like because I want to muted since I played more jazz than anything else. At least practice it sometime. Uh, oh my God, my brain just completely blanked for some reason. Okay, deeper. The deeper, the better, obviously. What's the last? Okay. Are these all the marching bass drums, like the big stand of them? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, okay. It's less cool, honestly. Like if you play this, it's pretty cool, but it's all spaced out and you're all coordinated and you have to with other people. Ugh, it's horrifying. Uh, it's not that bad. It's like right here because it takes more brain power than just hitting a big drum, which is why I play it. So actually, this is an actual drum. So it's gonna go right here. Yes. I don't like how this looks. You look stupid. I'm putting you in D. Come on, there. It's malfunctioning. Uh, let me think here. What else can I put to stretch out this video? Ooh, yeah, I have an idea. Uh, okay, I was like, where was my record? Let me see here. So I found some new ones. We got a pedal to the metal, brother. This one looked really small compared to the pedal. I thought it was a different one. I don't know if it is. You can correct me or not. And what is this? Oh, right, a snare kick. What am I doing in my life? Uh, it looked funny. I put it on, of course. Why would you even do this? Like, I would just puncture through it because I hit my bass drum so hard when I'm actually playing bass drum music. Um, let's do kick first. Yeah, let's do the kick pedal. Adding the kick pedal to any bass drum immediately puts it in A tier. I'm not even gonna lie. Little bass drum. It makes it quieter. Why would you ever want that? Wait, no. It's easier to get it. Ooh, that is a good one. That is a wait, wait, wait. That is a good one. I hate transporting bass drums. Like genuinely. Snare. Ooh, snare bass drum. Snare kick drum. They're like the same thing. Hmm. That's hard. That's a difficult one. Yeah. I think, I mean, I like it more than I kind of like it. Then again, I would puncture it like immediately. I like it more than electronic. Mm, hmm, I don't know. I do like them more. I think I should just go up to C actually. Yeah, nice little. I have to redo this section, sadly. Okay, here. I'll try to keep my amazing humor. Uh, do obviously the bass drum of the brass section, not S. Mm, I mean, top of B. Top of B makes sense for me, honestly. Bass clarinet, I feel like that's also pretty obvious there. Uh, Let me see. Uh, let's let's put bass clarinet. Clarinet players are kind of corny. I'm not gonna lie. Hmm, it's not D tier. It's also not C or B tier. It's also not A tier. I mean, I can't have two of these in B tier. Yeah, saxophone, Barry saxophone to be specific. Immediate saxophone aura. I'm gonna move tuba up. I'm gonna move clarinet up. Okay. You know. Oh, and why did I include baritone saxophone? Well, I mean, like the saxophone is a completely different thing for me than oh, like pipe or I think that yeah, like a pipe instrument or like what? Oh my God, how am I blanking on this? Or like a brass instrument. I don't know. I'll just call it that. Because it's the brass because it's made of metal. It's never been made of wood. What is this sixth grader terminology that I'm using? Uh, you get where I'm coming at, Esther. Okay.